So polynomial, any particular concept you want me to revise or re-explain? Okay, going ahead. The next concept what we have to learn in the basic maths is called as the modulus concept. See what exactly modulus concept is, which is called as the absolute value of x. All of you seen this symbol? What is this called as? Mod of x. What is this called as? Mod of x. It's having different name. Let's understand everything. This is, you can call it as a mod of x as a pronunciation, or sometimes we call it as a absolute value of x, or sometimes we call it magnitude of x, or you can call it length of x. Meaning is same. So if you want to get magnitude of something or length of something, we used to keep the mod. That's all. If I say one pen is there, I want to get the magnitude, what is the length of this? It means in mathematics language it's called as we kept inside the mod. Understood my point? Anything length you want, anything magnitude you want, you have to put inside the mod. Mod what do? Whatever inside don't care, it just give the magnitude of this. Means it don't care about the sign inside this. What is the sign of this there? For example, if I say, what is the mod of 5? So this mod will think you are asking length of 5. So length of 5 will be what? 5 itself. So it will give you 5. If I say mod of -3, so what is the length of -3? 3. Why minus represent only sign. Understood? So it will give you directly 3. If I say what is the mod of 0, it will say no length, 0. Do you understand my point? So magnitude of any number, whenever you have to get, you have to use the concept of the mod. It's not only in the here part, in your physics and also you will see somewhere, in chemistry also you will see somewhere. Everywhere purpose will be mod is giving the magnitude. Have you heard vector ever? So every vector will be kind of the line segment. You want to get the length of this, so we'll just keep mod. So here mod will give you the magnitude. The meaning of this statement is the magnitude of a vector. Do you understand? I don't know what the length will be there, that value will come. So whenever you need the magnitude of something, so we use this concept. So basically, I will use maximum time this definition. This is the more crystal clear definition. So whenever you want to get the mod of x means you are going to talk about the magnitude of x. Am I clear? Write it quick. Magnitude of a vector. Vector. No need of writing. If you never heard about the vector, don't write this. You will get confused. Clear to everybody? So, what is the magnitude of 7.9? Speak. Magnitude of 5 minus 7. Speak. 2. Actually, it's a minus 2 value, but mod is there, the 2. What is the magnitude of 3 minus pi without putting the value of pi Dubey? Magnitude of 3 minus pi. What is the pi value approximately? This is a positive quantity or negative? Speak. This quantity positive or negative? Speak out. So if it's a negative, so we'll say minus of 3 minus pi. Why? Because if I will not keep minus, the whole value will not become positive. Are you able to understand? So that value will become pi minus 3. Minus will go inside. If I say mod of minus 7, so it's positive or negative? This is a positive or negative? So this value will be minus of minus 7. Means whatever this value, minus will come in front. Whenever this quantity is negative, and if you remove the mod, a minus sign will appear. If it's a positive, if you remove the mod, minus will not appear. Means mod of 7, if I say, this will be simply 7. That's all. Means if inside the mod a positive quantity is there, you can remove mod directly. But if it is a negative quantity is there, and you are removing mod, what will come? A negative will come in front. Do you understand my point? Yes. What will be mod of 1 minus root 2? First thing, it's positive or negative inside mod? Speak. So if you remove the mod, what will come? Minus will come. Are you getting my point? So finally root 2 minus 1. Is it clear? Why the minus is coming? You should be very crystal clear about it. Mod of 3 minus root 12. Speak out. Minus of 3 minus root 2 or root 12 or plus of 3 minus root 12? Minus of 3 minus root 12. Are you getting my point? So root 12 minus 3. Nobody understood. Understood? If A is between minus 3 and minus 1, A is between minus 3 and minus 1, how many possible value of A can be happen? Infinite value, because I don't know which value is coming. Between minus 3 and minus 1, there are infinite values. But I know that A is between this. Then mod A, speak out. I want to remove the mod. Without mod, what is the value? A or minus A? A or minus A? Speak. Why minus A? Because A is negative. Are you getting my point? So minus A. Have you understand? Not really. What is the mod of minus 3? Don't say 3. In term of minus 3, how will you write? Why are they writing this minus? Hey, don't learn mathematics this way, yaar. Did I mention any time that to cancel the negative I am writing minus? Then why you develop this? See, learn the mathematics as a mathematics, not English. I have to cancel minus, so that's why I am putting minus. I am putting minus because this is a negative quantity. Why I am putting minus? Huh. What is the mod of minus 4? Minus. Why are you putting minus 4? Minus here. Huh. What is the mod of A? Minus of A. Why minus? Because A is a negative. It's already given. Do you understand? Please do not develop your own style of learning mathematics. Otherwise, you will collapse. Go, see, mathematics, again I told you, it's a very simple subject. But problem is this, people learn mathematics in different way. So proper way learn, it will not be a problem. Okay. Now, if I say x is between x is less than 0, then tell me mod x will be what? Speak out. Minus. Why minus? X is negative. If x is greater than 0, then mod x will be what? Are you able to understand my point? Suppose x less than equal to 0, here same answer. Because if x less than 0, this is the correct. X equal to 0, then also correct. Because 0 equal to minus 0, no problem. Minus 0 is also 0. Is that clear? X greater than equal to 0, then also mod x equal to x. Everybody understood my point? If anything you want to write, write it quickly, fast. Clear to everybody? Can I change the page? So, definition of mod. Simple. Mod P is P if P greater than equal to 0. I hope all of you understood why I wrote it. Is it clear to everybody? If P greater than 0, mod P can be written as a P. Yes or no? Else mod P as a minus P if P is less than 0. Is it clear? This is what called the definition of the properties of the mod P, you can say. Can I put equal here also? Yes, you can put equal here also. Anybody having problem with this? Okay. But actually mod x value can be write in term of x directly without cases. Right now I am making cases. If this is greater than 0, then this, less than 0, then this. Actually, on real number line, if x is anywhere, so this length is called as the mod x. Mod x is nothing but the length of x. And in mathematics, every length we measure from where? Origin. From where we measure? Origin. This is the actual meaning of the mod x. All of you studied distance formula in the coordinate geometry. If there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, so this d will be equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. All of you seen this formula? Yes. Speak out. Yes. Now, actually this length is the mod x. But this is the 0. 0 means what? 0, 0. This is the x. X means x0. because these are x-axis. Have you understand? Now, so mod x actually will be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So mod x is nothing but root of x square. This is the actual value of mod. What is the mod x? Root of x square. From today onward, you have to fix in your mind that root x square is not x. Root x square is what? Mod x. Root x square is mod x. It's not x. Up benefit. How much wrong concept we are having till now before learning the mod? What is the value of root 4? Plus minus 2. How many people agree with this answer? Rajan? Anybody disagree also? Anybody disagree? No, don't use just now what you learned. Till now what you are saying. Correct? See, is that much wrong as like 2 plus 3 you are asking somebody and saying 10? Suppose your younger brother, sister is there and you ask 2 plus 3 equal to what? He is studying in 5th class. Suddenly he said 10. So what will you do? Slap. You will slap, but you will not get slap. Eh? So this is the same mistake. The level of mistake I am telling. Up see why it's wrong. Let me show you. Why we first understand why plus minus 2 people say it. People always use the brain like this. Ki bhai, sir, root 4 I can write root of 2 square. And I can, 4 also I can write root of minus 2 square also. Yes or no? So here square root and 2 bye-bye, 2 came. Here square root and 2 bye-bye, minus 2 came. And that's why plus minus 2 is the answer. This is the explanation given by this. But actually, root x square is x or mod x? Root x square is x or mod x? So actually this value will be this value will be this. Now what is the value? 2. Not getting 2. But still some people having confusion. No sir, from childhood we are learning root 4 plus minus 2. Suddenly you are saying, no, it's change. Is it no? Some digestion is the problem. From sun rises from which side? Who taught? Parents. My parents also taught. I used to teach same thing to my child also. But do you think this is correct? Now at least we know the sun never rises. Otherwise, those people who gone in the space center, they seen the 19 times sun rises. Have you heard the news or not? The space station people, they see 19 times in a day, sunrise and sunset. Actually, sun never rises. Earth revolves around the sun, all those physics part, don't want to go. But when a small kid is there, 2 year, 3 year, and a father is going to say, no, beta, sun never rises. It's earth revolves that. Imagine the 2 year, 3 year child mental situation. Immediately he will imagine, I born in mad people house. So nobody will believe, because there is a certain time when we learn something. Forcefully we'll try to, so sometimes we just for avoid this complicated situation, we tell the wrong way, which appear generally. So people say, okay, root 4 appear plus minus 2. We assume it. But let me show you how blunder this is. Is it linear equation or quadratic? Square both sides. Linear or quadratic? Is these two statements same or different? Speak out. Is it anybody saying it's same? It's impossible. This is the quadratic equation and this is? That means if any linear equation you will square both sides, that linear equation will convert into quadratic. It means in mathematics if you square, you will get some extra. Means it's not same statement. Squaring not allowed in mathematics. But we square it. Yes, we square it. But we know the result of that also. Okay, if you square, some extra answer will come. Like here, linear equation was there. I square it and I got the quadratic equation. So what is the x value from here? X will be plus 5 and minus 5. Two solution of this equation. Yes or no? Fine. Is it possible any linear equation can have two roots? Two different roots? Speak out. Is it possible? No, not at all possible. And any linear equation, if you square, it will become quadratic. Any quadratic equation, if you square, it will become the biquadratic. So squaring always change the expression in mathematics. Carefully listen this point. I am assuming root 4 is plus minus 2. Tell me, is it linear equation or quadratic? Speak out. Linear or quadratic? Don't try to square, because if you square, any linear will become quadratic. Forget about this. Now if you say root 4 is plus minus 2, means this equation have two solutions, 2 and minus 2. Are you getting my point? See how blunder we were doing and learning. So, root 4 never be plus minus 2. In fact, you are already knowing also, but we never notice that. If you go and ask somebody today who know mathematics, 8th class, 9th class child, you say that, okay, let's play a rapid fire. You ask root 4, he'll say plus minus 2. Root 9, plus minus 3. Root 16, plus minus 4. You ask suddenly root 2, he'll say 1.41. You ask yourself, whenever you think about root 2, have you ever thought plus minus 1.41? No, we always think as 1.41. We always give the answer 1.41. We never give the answer plus minus 1.41. So naturally, you are knowing that what is the correct. But somewhere something gone wrong. And what has gone wrong? Root x square, we assume x. And that's create the problem. You can understand, one small misconcept change whole mathematics, and you start saying linear equation having the two roots, which is impossible. Is that clear? So, if you will ever do this mistake, that kind of the blunder will happen. So now onward, fix in your mind, whenever root of something square is coming, that will give you always mod. So from where mod generated? From mod generated from root of something perfect square. Is it clear to everybody? Write down this. So suppose question comes, find x if mod of x minus 1 equal to 3. To think like this, mod of something equal to 3 when? When that something is either plus 3, by whose magnitude is 3? Only two number magnitude is 3, either 3 or minus 3. So 100% sure x minus 1 must be 3 or minus 3, correct? So x equal to 1 plus minus 3, that means x equal to 4 or minus 2. You can satisfy also. Put 4 here, 4 minus 1, 3, mod 3 equal to 3, correct. Put minus 2 minus 1 mod minus 3, that is again 3. Are you getting my point? So there are two choices. So always remember, if mod p equal to a, then p will be equal to plus minus a. Mod p equal to a, then p will be equal to plus minus a. Solve these questions. Solve it, solve it, solve it. I'll solve it. Over. How? Mod of something equal to 5. Say here. Mod of x minus 1 by 2 equal to 5. So mod of something equal to 5 means this something surely will be either 5 or minus 5. Speak out. So x minus 1 must be equal to plus minus 10. Means x equal to either 11 or minus 9. How many of you got it? Next question. X minus 5 must be equal to plus minus 1. X equal to 5 plus minus 1, x equal to 6 or 4. How many of you got it? What happened, we? Then x square minus 5 must be equal to plus minus 2. X square equal to either 7 or 3. X equal to plus minus root 7 plus minus root 3. How many of you got it? Are you clear? Next, mod of, see, this is called the composite kind of function. What express, this is called the which expression? Composite expression. Because this is the mod of mod. So first outside mod I will try to kill. So it's saying mod x minus 2 equal to, sorry, minus 3 equal to 2. So mod x minus 3 will be equal to plus minus 2. Agree everybody? So mod x equal to either 5 or 1. If mod x 5, so x equal to plus minus 5. Mod x 1 to plus minus 1. How many of you got this answer? Next one. Asking mod x by 3 equal to minus 1. What is solution? Plus 3 minus 3. No solution. How many have you got? Why you people don't use brain? Is asking for what x, magnitude of x by 3 is minus 1. How is it possible magnitude can be negative? Are you able to understand? You cannot apply that one. So there is no solution. Or if you want to write x value, you can write this way, x element of null set. I told you, na? Is this clear to everybody? Please stop talking. Check it, the first one. First I will try to remove this mod. I will say 2 minus mod of x minus 1 divided by 3 equal to plus minus 2. Yes or no? 3 will go the side. 2 minus mod of x minus 1 equal to plus minus 6. Up to possibility of this question. One is that 2 minus mod of x minus 1 equal to 6, and other possibility 2 minus mod of x minus 1 equal to minus 6. Correct? We have to solve both. This one shifting here, this one shifting here. Mod of x minus 1 equal to minus 4. This came here and 6 gone there. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Here also same situation, mod of x minus 1 equal to, this gone here, this gone 8. This will give you no solution. Why no solution? Mod cannot be negative. Magnitude of anything cannot be negative. So x minus 1 equal to plus minus 8. X equal to 9 or minus 7. These are only two solutions. 9 and minus 7. How many of you got it? No, you have to show now. To write all the steps. There are two possibilities. Both the possibility you have to solve. Or is it clear to everybody? Now, second bit, what is the answer? By how many of you got it? Second bit. Yes, tell me answer. X. X is real element of real number. Who else got it? Huh? X equal to 1. All of you stop talking. All of you understood the meaning of question. I feel 75% in the class don't know what I'm asking. What I'm asking? Find x if this. What are the x which can satisfy this? Suppose I say find x if mod x equal to 3. So it means find all possible value of x which can satisfy this. So you say only two value will satisfy, x equal to 3 and x equal to, which are the value can satisfy this? 0 can satisfy, 1 can satisfy, 2 can satisfy, 3 can satisfy, minus 2 can satisfy. Let's put it minus 2. If I am putting minus 2, the mod of minus 2 equal to minus 2. So this will become 2. 2 equal to minus 2, not satisfy. So which are the value will satisfy? Only positive value or 0. Speak out. It means this equation will have the solution x element of 0 to infinity. Only 1, 2 student given correct answer. How many of you got it? 2 people. Do you understand? See, remember meaning of the question. Don't jump into that. Some people writing this. Mod x equal to x. So, sir, x equal to plus minus x. See, you cannot give the answer x in term of x. Are you getting my point? Solution of equation means variable value in term of constant. This is a variable value in term of variable. Is this clear? So this way you cannot write. Why we can't write? Because here we are giving answer of x in term of x. If suppose somebody say find x, you will say yes sir, x. What is the meaning of this way? They are asking you find x and you are saying x. So that does not make any sense. The next one. First thing, this mod I will remove. I will get doing cross multiplication. Some mistake I did, I'm sorry. Speak out. Understood everybody? So, mod x equal to plus 10 if I take 11 or minus 9. Is this point clear? This is rejected. Why rejected? Mod cannot be negative. So, x equal to plus minus 11. How many have you got it? Some mistake I did? I think I did mistake, calculation mistake. Wait a minute. Let me restart. Mod x minus 1 equal to plus minus 9. So mod x minus 1 equal to minus 9 or 9. Mod x equal to minus 8 or 10. These are rejected. Mod x equal to 10. X equal to plus minus 10. Are you clear? That time I did mistake somewhere. Please keep quiet. Over. Done. चलो हाँ भाई, first one, I hope all of you got it. Mod will go other side, mod will remove, we'll get 3 minus mod of x minus 3 equal to plus minus 2, correct? So this gone here, so mod of x minus 3 equal to 3 plus minus, or you can write minus plus, doesn't matter. You may be wondering why I wrote minus plus. Whenever plus go other side, it become minus. Suppose a plus 2 equal to b. This plus 2 go other side, it will become b minus 2. Are you getting? If into 2 go other side, by 2. By 2 go other side, multiply by 2. Plus minus 2 go other side, it will become minus plus. Does not make any difference. Why so? Why one time you will take minus, one time you will take plus. So if you write plus minus also, same thing will happen. Are you able to understand? But this is the way of writing. You should understand the meaning of the your writing should represent that you know mathematics. If you're writing plus minus 2, answer will come, but it represents directly you don't know mathematics. So whenever plus minus go other side, it will written as what? Minus plus. Is that clear? So mod of x minus 3, if you'll take minus, it will become minus 1, sorry, plus 1 and plus 5. I hope everybody able to understand. So mod of x minus 3 equal, sorry, x minus 3 will be equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 5. So x equal to 4, 2, 8 minus 2. Is this clear? How many of you got it? हाँ भाई, second solution. What is the value of x which satisfy this condition? Never. Magnitude of a number cannot be less than same number. Magnitude of a number cannot be less than same number. Understand my point? Magnitude is always bigger than or equal to, but it cannot be less than. It's saying mod x less than x. Magnitude of x is less than x. Impossible. So, for this case, what is the answer? No solution. Third one, anybody got it? Please raise your hand. Tell me. Yes, correct. Very much correct. Anybody else got? What is the answer? Same. Okay, good. Slightly tricky question. This is the way in the JE and all they used to ask. So mod of x minus 1, can I write 1 minus x? Speak out. Mod of x minus 1, can I write minus of x minus 1? Speak. Think. Mod, is it not looking mod a equal to minus a? Suppose x minus 1 is the a. Isn't it looking like mod a equal to minus a? Yes or no? And mod a equal to minus a when? When a is less than or equal to 0. Yes or no? That means x minus 1 less than equal to 0. X less than equal to 1. The x element of minus infinity to 1 close. If anybody did not understand, please raise your hand. Did not understand? Okay. Everybody else? Stand up. Mod a equal to minus a written. What the condition you will say? When mod a equal to minus a? You don't know. We just learn, no? When mod a will be minus a? I told no, when you write minus in front after removing the mod, when it's a negative, it means a is negative or 0. That means a is less than equal to 0. That's all. Suppose this is a equal to mod a equal to minus a situation. So a must be less than equal to 0, means x minus 1 less than equal to 0. Clear? So now, is this clear? Ha bhai. Fourth one. How many of you got it? Okay. Tell me. Are x element already given. X already given. Question understand. I am not asking x here. I am asking what is the value of this bracket? What is the answer? Speak. We don't have to solve this question. Can you understand? Already they mention x is belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. Here x given. Some people are finding x. Are you don't have to, I written here, that is a printing mistake. If x is already given, we have to find the value of this bracket. So x is what is given? X is negative. X is, if x is negative, the mod x is mod x value minus x. Mod x will be equal written as what? Minus x. If x is negative, then I already told this here. You people are previous thing forgetting and learning new thing. Mod p will be written as minus p if p is negative. Speak out. So mod p, here x is negative. X is less than 0, then mod x will be what? Minus x. So mod x plus x will be, that value you can substitute here. So minus x plus x. Value 0. Is this point clear? Please keep quiet. So what we are doing earlier, we are just time pass. Now let's learn actual method of solving the modulus. These are the modulus equation we did. But what actually, how actually we'll solve? The basic method, which is very important. It will be lengthy, very lengthy. We always feel that we should do by easy way. But actual method you should learn every time. Of course it will be lengthy, no doubt about it. Check it. Suppose question comes, find x if mod of x minus 1 equal to 3. Mod of x minus 1 equal to, I think till now all of you that much okay, you can find the answer oral. Can you tell me oral? X value. 4r minus 2. 4r, we know the answer. Okay. Now let's solve this question by painful method. And you have to concentrate and you have to learn this method, what I am going to tell you. Find x if mod of x minus 1 equal to 3. Listen very, very carefully. When I say find x if x minus 1 equal to 3, you will say very simple. Yes or no? 1 will go other side, become 4 answer. Nobody should write anything and concentrate. This is, sir, very, very simple. But why this is not that simple? Because my target to get x, and my x is the inside somebody else's house. Are you able to see? Mod is the somebody else's house. I have to find x. X is not freely available. It's inside this house. So if you want to catch him, so first you have to kill this. This mod will go, then only you can reach to x. Otherwise you cannot reach to x. And my main target to get x. Are you listening my point? See, today we are talking mod, tomorrow log, tomorrow some other, tomorrow trigonometry. The logic what you are learning it here, it's for complete mathematics. If it's a, maybe question will come this way. Log, how many people studied already? Very few. You will be studying. There also you have to find x. Now x is sitting in some other house, inside the log house. So if you want to get x, you have to break this house. Tomorrow it may happen, we are going to get something like this. Maybe. Now still, some nahi hai bhai, sine, S-I-N. Sine function, trigonometry. Okay. So now x is inside a trigonometry house. So you have to kill this house, then only you can get the x. Are you getting what I am trying to teach you? We are trying to learn how to enter somebody else's house and take out our object. That is the main target. And it's not modulus concept. It's a complete mathematics. In whole mathematics, whenever x you have to get it, you have to do that. We are saying x minus 1 sitting in the, here also is sitting somebody else's house. You cannot tell direct answer. So first what you used to do? You used to kill this Arna. We never get the answer directly until unless this 2 will not disappear. So here we say, sir, x minus 1 equal to plus minus 2. Very simple. We never think what we are doing. Actually, we are trying to remove this. Why we are removing? Because without removing him, I cannot reach to him. Have you understand my point? Okay. So, this is my main target, I have to get x. And for that, I have to remove the mod. Mod is there, so we should, have you heard this India did surgical strike on the Pakistan sometime? All of you know? No, Operation Sindoor was not surgical strike. Operation Sindoor was the war. Before that, surgical strike was there. Before to after Uri, I guess. You never know, all of you. You are in India. Okay, listen to me. Suppose India wanted to do surgical strike or war or whatever, without knowing the inside story of Pakistan or any other country can go for war, or first they do research. First they understand inside what is there, how their map is there, what exactly, where is the correct location is there. Then only they can do any kind of the strike. You cannot do strike directly, okay, tomorrow I have to kill the Pakistan. So Pakistan is not a small thing. They are also having atom bomb. So we have to know each and everything about that country, then only you can strike on that. It's something like, not Pakistan, don't worry. Here we have to find out that this X is inside the mod. I have to remove the mod. So first we should know the mod. Mod, we'll try to learn about the mod. The mod says, ki bhai, I will appear, disappear only when the P will change its sign. Listen, very important. This mod says, I will leave P immediately if P is positive. I will leave the P but with the minus sign if P is negative. Yes or no? It means mod depend on two behavior. Ki P is positive or negative. Yes or no? Means mod, you can remove the mod only if you know about the sign of P. Nobody understood. Suppose tomorrow somebody coming and asking, oh, you tell me, you know mathematics, what is the mod B value? Will you able to tell? No. You will say, no, 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 let it be like this. Why like this? Because you didn't tell about the B. First you tell me about B, then only I will tell this value. Are you getting? They say, okay, B is negative. Then you can tell the value. Yes or no? You will say minus B it will become. Okay, B is positive. Then you will tell the value. It's a B value. Means this mod says you can remove me only when you know P is positive or negative. Otherwise you cannot remove me. And my target is what? To remove the mod. So I should know X minus 1 is positive or negative, which I do not know. Are you getting my point? I don't know. So when I don't know, I will go to my basic math and I will say that draw real number line. X minus 1 will be positive when X is greater than what? X minus 1 is positive when X is greater than 1. X minus 1 is negative when X is lesser than 1. Are you able to understand my point? It means 1 is the point where it changes its behavior. Means before 1 it's negative, after 1 it's means I have to solve this question 2 times, before 1 and after 1. Something gone in your mind? Why I am making 2 cases? Because before 1 I know it's negative, after 1 it's a positive. So I will solve this question 2 times. First let's solve here. Here, can I remove this mod? Speak out. How? Because this is the area says X minus 1 is negative. Yes or no? This area says X minus 1 is positive. So I know X minus 1 is negative. So minus will disappear. Sorry, mod disappear, minus sign will come. Are you able to understand? So it will come minus x plus 1 equal to 3, minus x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. Check. Actually, whatever answer is coming, that should be before 1. Is it before 1? Speak out. Yes. So this answer accepted. So one answer got it. X equal to minus 2. Acha. After 1, whatever answer is coming, that should be bigger than 1. Because your area is this. Now here I am solving. X minus 1 is positive. So what do you say here? Mod x minus 1 directly I can remove. Because mod p equal to p if p is positive. Speak out. So x minus 1 equal to 3, x equal to 4. Tell me, x equal to 4 satisfy the condition or not? Yes. So means there are two solutions, minus 2 or 4. Speak, bhai. Which was easier, earlier method or this method? Earlier method. Who will do this much? Of course, if you ask me tomorrow this question after 1 week and come, sir, solve it, I will solve by that only. Why should I solve this? But why you have to do this way, you will understand when further question will come. Is it clear? Because here does not matter that tomorrow log is there or that is there or this is there. Whenever you have to remove anybody else's house, go by making cases. In whole mathematics, any question is there, it can be solved. But you should know when behavior will change. Write down this. Without seeing, try to write your own, understand. Over way. Do by this method. Understand, don't run behind the answer. Answer you already know. I am asking understanding the concept and doing properly. Done? Who are you talking? Have doubt, ask me. Over. Clear? Done? Everybody got it? First thing is that I have to remove the mod. So, this mod will change behavior when this will become positive, negative. Speak out. For what value of x it will change behavior? -2. At what point? Before -2 negative. How to know? Just think when 0. But this will be 0 only when x equal to -2. So before -2 it's negative. After -2 it's a positive. So -2 is the boundary line. I will solve this question before -2 and after -2. But here whatever answer is coming, that should be less than -2. Here whatever answer is coming, that should be greater than -2. Are you understanding? So before -2, question is this. Before -2 it's a negative, so minus of x plus 2. Minus x minus 2 equal to 3, minus x equal to 5, x equal to -5. Is it inside that? Is it before -2? Yes, it will be accepted. After -2, what will happen? Mod of x plus 2. After -2, it's a positive quantity. Can I accept it? Yes. How many of you got properly like this? Is it clear to everybody? Now imagine, suppose question comes, stop writing and watch it. This question you cannot solve previous method. It will not work. If you are not knowing how to do by basic method, you cannot solve this question. Impossible. Because that valid only when mod p equal to a form it will come. A should be constant. Then we say p equal to plus minus a. If you cannot apply this question impossible to solve. That is why I told you that method, that basic method. Because in JEE, they never ask question formula base. They will ask always a question where you will do by fundamental way. Okay. Now for me it's not a problem. Because I know what I have my target. My target is to get x. This x is saying I am free man. I don't have any problem. Ask my brother. He is in the Pakistan. We have to kill this. Then only we can do the things. Are yes or no? This, you don't have to worry. This will change behavior when at 2. Before 2 negative, after 2. So we'll solve this question 2 times. Before 2 and after 2. Before 2, write the question mod of x minus 2 plus 5x equal to 3. Please don't write. Before 2. Now, you say, I know x minus 2 is negative because we are solving this area. Are you able to understand? So this will be what? Minus of x minus 2. Speak out. This don't touch it. Sir, this is a negative. We don't have to do anything. It's not in somebody else's house. It's in India only. So let it be like this. Is this clear? So it's become minus x plus 2 plus 5x equal to 3. So 4x equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 4. Speak out. Can I accept this solution? Can I accept this solution? Yes. It's a less than 2. Accept it. Nobody understood. Understood everybody? Chaliye. After 2, writing question. So this is the x minus 2 directly because this is a positive quantity now. Plus 5x equal to 3. So we'll get 6x equal to 5. Speak out. X equal to 5 by 6. Can I accept this solution? No. Because your boundary is there after 2. And you are giving answer less than 2. Speak out. Rejected. So this question having only one answer, 1 by 4. That's all. Means this question, this equation can be satisfied for one value, 1 by 4 only. Is this point clear? Write it. Without copying, write. Do your own. Get stuck, then see solution. Over. Can I change the page? Now we are entering in that area where the all formula, all method get failed. There is no formula, no method. This is the kind of the question which will be done only by fundamental law. So fundamental law will say what? Ki bhai, kill this mod and get x. No other option. So we'll go to question and see, bhai, what is your problem? He will say, I can be get free only before 1 or after 1. Yes or no? And he will say, I can be free only before 3 or. It means we have to work on 1 also as well as 3 also. So real number line, 1 will be somewhere, 3 will be somewhere. I have to solve this question how many times? 3 times. 1 before 1, after 1, but before 3 and after 3. Stop writing. Before 1 writing question, mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3 equal to 10. Before 1. So this quantity negative. Speak out. So this will be minus of x minus 1. What is this? Before 1. Speak out. Negative. Arey, this is a negative before 3. So before 1 also it will be negative, na? So minus of x minus 3 is equal to 10. So minus x plus 1 minus x plus 3 equal to 10. Minus 2x equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 6. X equal to minus 3. Agree all of you? Tell me, can I accept this solution? Very much. One solution, got it. Now coming between this area. What is this area say? This area say here x is bigger than 1 but lesser than 3. Yes or no? If it's a bigger than 1, question always right. If it's a bigger than 1, so this quantity will be positive. So mod directly remove. Speak out. So this will become x minus 1. This will be positive or negative? So mod remove but minus sign. Speak out. So minus of x minus 3 is equal to 10. So what will come? X minus 1 minus x plus 3 equal to 10. X bye bye. 2 equal to 10. Whenever statement, this is called as what? Statement. Whenever x disappear means statement. Are you getting? Tell me, is it always true statement or always false? So in this case, what you will say? No solution. Means this question does not have solution between 1 and 3. Are you getting my point? This question does not have solution between 1 and 3. So chalo bhai, this area is the useless, leave it. Going other area. Mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3 equal to 10. Is it clear? Now in this area, this will be positive or negative? So x minus 1, this will be positive or negative? X minus 3 is equal to 10, 2x equal to 14, x equal to 7. Accepted or not? Yes. So this question have two solutions, minus 3 and 7. Is this clear to everybody? Is it going to matter कि 2 mod is there or 3 mod is there? No. Whatever number of mod is there, multiplication is there, division is there, does not make any difference. Does not matter कि log is there, mod is there, until if you do by basic method, every question can be solved. We will do it. You will do. Why should I do? Yes, have doubt, ask me. Where? This sir. This area means what? X is greater than 1 but less than 3. What is this area means? X is less than 1. What is this area means? X is greater than 3. So if x greater than 1, so this quantity positive or negative? Positive. So mod p equal to p if p positive. Mod p equal to minus p if p is negative. So this is the positive number. So mod directly remove x minus 1. And x is less than 3. So this is a positive or negative? If x less than 3, x minus 3 negative or positive? Negative. So mod of x minus 3 will become mod p equal to minus p if p negative. So mod of x minus 3 will become what? minus of x minus 3. Yes or no? That's what I wrote. Is this clear to everybody? Can I change page? Do you understand meaning of question? Number of solution. What is solution? I am not asking. Like previous question, number of solution, how many got it? 2. Yes or no? If I say this question, number of solution 2. This question, number of solution 1. Are you able to understand? The same way you have to, the objective question I made it. Solve it and give me correctly. Properly solve, no mistake. Calculation do properly. How minus 3 by minus 2? अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Let everybody solve. Have you done? What is the answer? Don't help her. Let her do. हाँ भाई done. What is the answer? How many are saying A? A option. Who is saying A? Raise your hand. This is the answer. This is the old JE question. So all these points, please revise it. Tomorrow you'll have the worksheet, and it will be the based on this only. Maybe 2 mod, 3 mod, division inside the mod. Anything questions can be happen. Please keep quiet. You can create at home for practice, you can create your own question, no need of anybody. Suppose you say that, okay, you just randomly created question this way. Whatever answer you got it, just put it here and check satisfying or not. If it's satisfying, correct, otherwise wrong. Is that clear? So, modulus one more lecture will take place and then it will get over.